Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Harvey's Music Cooking. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. So today we'll be learning how to make corn vada. Yes, famous South Indian snacks. For that we need corn, chana dal, onions, green chilies, curry leaves, ginger, red chili powder, ajwain, salt to taste and hing powder. Kindly check the description box for the list of ingredients and preparations. Grind both chana dal and corn. Then add finely chopped onion. Add green chilies, salt to taste, ajwain, finely chopped ginger, curry leaves, add red chili powder, now add hing powder. Now mix this mixture, don't over mix it. Let's shape our vada. Ta-da! Crispy corn vada is ready. Do try this yummy snacks and let me know how was it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.